as increase in the density of the blood. Here comes one property that we identify as density. Density is the thickness of any matter, and that defines the state of matter also. Solid state is higher dense, then the liquid state is lesser dense, and further gaseous state is further lesser dense. So we identified these three properties which are interconnected: density, speed, and heat. We understood that if the density is increasing, then speed and heat are decreasing. And if density is decreasing, then speed and heat are increasing. So density and speed are inversely proportionate, and density and heat are also inversely proportionate. So while understanding this, we plotted nature and life in two spectrums, where density, speed, and heat are increasing and decreasing respectively from left to right. As you see on the image, from left to right, the density is increasing and speed and heat are decreasing. So from formless to form, we see the increase in the density, and within the form, we see the increase of density from living to non-living to artificial. So artificial substances are non-biodegradable because this has got higher density and no natural water at all, and the speed and heat are very least in this artificial substances such as plastics. Living beings do have higher speed than the non-living, even if it is organic. So with this identification, we went ahead with the life forms identification and different states of the life, different stages of life. For example, from healthy state to acute disease and to chronic disease is the increment of density. So density increases progressively from healthy state to acute to chronic. Here we try to understand the state of spirituality also. We identified the state of spirituality. If it is a holistic state of spirituality, then it is a holistic conservation of vitality in all three domains of physical, physiological, and psychological. If it just remain in the psychological domain of conservation of vitality, which is definitely questionable, but if it is claimed so, then the fragility cannot be denied anytime. And the proof that we see that there are a lot of spiritual leaders, they have lost their lives pretty early of their life because of the non-conservation of vitality in the physical and physiological domain. So these are not any opinionated or hatred or appreciation towards these people, just the identification of the facts that if we do not conserve vitality in physical and physiological domain, that cannot be an excuse in nature. In nature, the toxemia will happen, and compromise with the lifespan also happens progressively.